Hey y'all, it's Federica and I'm back again with another video.
Let's go.
Hey y'all, it's Federica and I'm back again.
Oh no, she don't. Oh no, she don't. Oh no, she.
This video is gonna be basically me get ready with me, basically me doing my makeup and my hair, but mostly this video is about me doing my hair because yeah, I just wanted to promote it and everything because it's very good hair. It's an Indian deep wave hair, and the closures are 16 and the bundles are 18, 3/18s, and I made this into a wig myself. So just keep watching if y'all wanna see how I did this and everything. So yeah, so this hair is the curly hair that I made into a wig, and it's a closure. If you want to lay this hair, I mean, you could wear, glueless or whatever, but I'm not doing it. This glue. So the glue that I'm using is the waterproof glue that you can get from the hair store, and it's like what, $4 or $5 a bottle, but like the bigger ones are like 14. So basically I'm just putting like one coat on there just to see, and so when it dries it's gonna look like that. And so I'm putting a second coat on there just make sure it's gonna stay and all of that. So yeah, you don't have to use a blow dryer for this. You can just let it air dry. So yeah. And also, please don't put this on your hair. Your edges, don't, please. I'm so excited to do my hair because I haven't did a video in so long. So I knew this was too far because it was touching my eyebrow and cover my moles. So I think I put it too far, y'all. It was still kind of too far, but it'll work. It's okay. It was cute. So yeah. You want to use mousse in this, and you want to use mousse that doesn't have alcohol, especially if you put glue, because alcohol makes the glue go away. But anyway, so you just want to put a little bit, and I do my edges with this. So yeah. And y'all, I wasn't gonna do a voiceover, but my niece kept on talking and talking and talking, and plus it was loud in the background a little, so I had to do a voiceover because she was doing the most. So yeah. I'm finna use this one, and when it heat up, I'm gonna be back to show y'all what I'm finna do. I'm just gonna lay it down. It's off. It keeps turning off, y'all. It's gonna make me mad. I'm wanting this just so it can lay flat. Okay, so I'm done with the one. Like I said, it ain't nothing much really to it. I'm done. I put a clip right there just to have the effect to when it comes. Aubrey, come on. Put this tie on like all around. I put the tie thing around my head because I'm finna with this hair, and I want every hair to hit it in. Plus, I think it lays better when it's like this instead of just having it just around. And yeah, that's what I'm just finna do. Okay, so this is the hair. Good morning. Good morning, Aubrey. So I'm gonna go down just a little bit. So, and this is 18, 18, 18 in the closure. 16, like I already said. And yeah, I'm going with warm hair. Like, I don't want to. Who wants to get? Why would you wet your hair with cold hair? So I'm just gonna be wet. And yeah, I don't even know why I'm doing this side first, but oh well. Basically this is common sense, just to wet your hair till it's damp or till it's really wet. So it's really what you prefer. And I got the spray bottle from Walgreens because I want it pink. So yeah. I use just a wig brush to brush my hair, and you want to start from the bottom, and please don't forget to go like inside y'all hair, like that's the outside to me. The inside is like behind your ear, behind your head, like that, because people don't realize, but if you don't come there, it's gonna get really nappy. anything to make your hair not just get super out there. You want to use them. I only got a little left, but I'm still gonna use it. So I'm just gonna have to split it up, sweetie. And you just want to use moves and just finger detangle it while you're using it so it can get everywhere. Shh, be quiet. Just want to finger tangle it. And now I'm finna use Eco Styling Gel, the green kind. And I'm not using a lot, but I don't know, I'm finna show y'all. We got a big jug of this much. I'm using that much. So I'm using Eco Styling Gel, the green kind, because I personally just wanted to find the curls, and I don't use a lot because I don't want to make it hard, and like I don't want my hair to be hard. So yeah, that's why, and I don't use a lot. Cute girl, cute. Yeah, y'all just stay tuned. The color my foundation is in brownie, and the brush that I got that brush from Walmart, and it was like 6 brushes, and it was like $9. So I feel like that was kind of good. And yes, and the concealer I'm using is in Fawn, which is the same concealer that I conceal my eyebrows with. And yeah. Y'all, I look cute, don't I?
You got some, you got your hair.
Shh, okay. So the whole point of this video is to really talk about my hair. It's not really about, me doing the makeup. It's really about the hair and me defining the curls at the end of the day. So yeah, we just gonna take the headscarf off and see what the clothes you're working with. Fine, honey, period. All that, give it to me. Like, baby, I slayed this. And don't mind my niece, she had my other wig on. So yeah, this some pretty hair, get it. Yeah, so y'all, like, the hair is really good. Like, I swear, like, I would not lie to y'all about some stuff. Like, I don't care. I'm not, So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at Freddie.May. And me on Snapchat only.drink. And my Twitter is Drink12. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. See you in my next video. Bye.